reminders. Key point 1. Key point 1, these what I was explaining. Reminder 1, 13 is divided by 5. 5 twos are reminder. Positive reminder is 3. This is nothing but 13 when divided by 5. 5 twos are 10. This is nothing but 3. Reminder is 3. What is there in the right hand side is called the remainder. This is called the remainder. 13 is called the dividend, which is written in the numerator. Dividend is written in the numerator. And what dividend, it is getting divided by a number that is written in the denominator. That is written in the denominator, which is called as the divisor. Which is called as the divisor. 13 when divided by 5. 5 twos are 10. Positive remainder is 3. This entire form, I am writing it like this. What is missing in that remainder form? Quotient. How many times it is going? That itself is missing. 13 when divided by positive 5, the positive remainder is 3. This is derived from this. One important concept. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. So 13 can be written as dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So when 13 divided by 5, positive remainder 3 is also nothing but 13 is 5 into x plus 3. X value is 2 here. X value is 2 here. 13 divided by 5. 5 twos are 10, positive remainder 3. I hope this form of remainder of x by y equivalent to a is clear to you. What is x? What is y? What is a? Again I am repeating. X is the dividend. Y is the divisor. A is the remainder. What is missing is quotient is missing in this number. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the key point 1. Knowing the terminology of x by y remainder is a. In some textbooks, they will also write like this. X by y remainder is a. Both are right. Both are right. Now see here. Key point 2. Key point 2. First we have defined what is a remainder. Key point 2. Now I will define what is a negative remainder concept. Negative remainder concept. What is the negative remainder concept? Suppose 9 when divided by 5. 9 when divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. Positive remainder is 4. 5 ones are 5. Positive remainder is 4. Negative remainder 5 twos are 10. Negative remainder is minus 1. 5 ones are 5. Positive remainder is 4. And the negative remainder is 5. What is the multiple of 5 that is just greater than 9? 10. 5 twos are 10. Negative remainder is minus 1. Negative remainder is an illusionary concept. It does not exist in mathematics. I am using this concept to reduce my calculation time. That's the only intention. Now first thing. So this is nothing but, you can write this like this. Dividend is divisor into quotient plus remainder. 5x plus 4. Or it can also be written as divisor into quotient and negative remainder. Are you all with me? These both can be used. Either you can use a positive remainder or you can use negative remainder. Now another important point. If the negative remainder is minus 1, if it is a negative remainder, add with the denominator to get the positive remainder. Negative remainder I got minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. If there is a negative remainder, if I have to convert into positive remainder, add with the denominator. Write down exactly in the way that I am explaining. Not a single doubt that you will get. If there is a negative remainder, add it with the denominator to get the positive remainder. If there is a minus 1 plus 5 is 4. If there is a minus 1 plus 5 is resulting in 4. If there is a positive remainder, and I need to convert into negative remainder, subtract it from the denominator. Subtract it from the denominator. Negative remainder to positive remainder, add it. What we need, that operation we will do. Negative remainder to positive remainder. I need positive remainder, add it. Positive remainder to negative remainder. I need negative remainder, subtract it. Negative remainder to positive remainder, add it. Positive remainder to negative remainder, subtract it. I hope this example of negative remainder concept is clear to you. Key point 3. Definition of remainder, key point 1. Negative remainder definition, key point 2. Key point 3. What is key point 3? Now see here. Suppose if there is 13 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. Positive remainder is 6. Negative remainder is 7 twos are 14. Negative remainder is minus 1. Similarly, I will do 20 divided by 7. 7 fours are 20. Positive 14. Positive remainder is 6. Negative remainder is 7 threes are 21 minus 1. Now, suppose if I add both of them, 13 plus 20 divided by 7. 13 plus 20 divided by 7. I will do this in multiple methods. Method 1, method 2 and method 3. Method 1, method 2 and method 3. Method 1. Rambabu, a fan of J concept. Method 1. What you do is, you do it individually. 13 plus 20, 33. 33 divided by 7. 7 fours are 28. Positive remainder is 5. Negative remainder is 7 fives are 35 minus 2. 7 fives are 35 minus 2. Method 1 is adding both the numbers and dividing it by 7. 13 plus 20 is 33. 33 divided by 7. 7 fours are 28. Positive remainder is 5. Negative remainder is minus 2. Method 2. Do it individually with positive remainder. 7 ones are 7. What is the positive remainder? 6. 7 twos are 14. What is the positive remainder? 6. When you divide a number by 7, you should not get a remainder greater than 6. When you divide a number by x, the reminders that are possible are 0, 1, 2 till x minus 1. When you divide a number by x, you will get the reminders only from 0 to x minus 1. When you divide a number by 7, you will not get 12. So again further divide. 12 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. What is the positive remainder? 5. When you do together and divide, answer is 5. When you individually do by using positive remainder, still the remainder is 5. Method number 3. If I use a negative remainder, 7 twos are 14 minus 1. 7 3s are 21, minus 1, minus 1 minus 1, which is minus 2. Negative remainder if you get, add with the denominator to get the positive remainder. That means instead of adding the number and dividing, you can do it individually. You can do it individually. 13 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. Positive remainder 6. 7 2s are 14, positive remainder 6. When you divide 12 by 7, 7 ones are 7, positive remainder is 5. A beautiful conclusion from this problem.